Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to sign documents on your personal computer. Learning this skill allows you to quickly handle important paperwork, saving you valuable time and effort. Imagine completing contracts or agreements in just a few minutes, all from the comfort of your home or office. This method streamlines your workflow and ensures your documents are handled efficiently and securely. It is incredibly convenient. Before you begin signing, verify that your document is in a PDF format. This universal format ensures compatibility across different systems and prevents layout issues. If your document is in another format, for example, a Microsoft Word document, you can easily convert it using free online tools or directly within most word processing software. Confirm everything looks correct before moving forward with the signature. Many standard PDF applications, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader or native operating system viewers, offer intuitive tools for digital signatures. Locate the Fill and Sign feature, usually indicated by a small pen icon within the application's top or side toolbar. This functionality enables you to add text, checkboxes, and most importantly, your signature, directly onto the form fields. It simplifies the entire process. When creating your actual signature, you have flexible options. You can choose to type your full name, generating a clean and professional appearance. Alternatively, you can draw your signature using your mouse or trackpad, which mimics a handwritten style. For the most authentic feel, upload a scanned image of your physical signature. Select the method that best suits your preference and the document's requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.